This thing's just fine and dandy. At least that works. But this doesn't. Nothing on... wait. There's nothing behind this. There's nothing behind the numbers. It's a fake floor and... What the But there's nothing behind it. It's just black. A black wall. Oh, God. We'll just go to 3 and back out. Too much. That's a first. A fake floor indicator. They literally just put it in there. Like, you can totally tell they just randomly made this thing. What the fuck, bro? This thing is just not alright. Oh, God, what the... Oh, okay. Jesus. This thing. There's one next to this that doesn't work at all. It's just out of service permanently. Jeez. Yeah, this is just in beautiful shape. Something was here. The walls are nice and cracked. So is... Ugh, what the hell is that? Oh. That's just lovely. Good God. What the fuck, bro? Dude. God damn, bro. That one does not work at all, even though it's the only one that goes to Penthouse, so... Jesus. This place. Look at this thing, dude. You would never think these things still work. That's it.